Hello everybody, this is just a quick video to show you how to log into your online KapTest account. So what I have right now is I've just went to www.kaptest.com and we're going to click on our sign in. Okay, and then this is where you're going to put in your username and password, the email that you were given when you logged in for the course, or signed up for the course I should say. So I'm using just a sample account right now. But here, so we'll sign in. Okay, so then you're going to get this page here with your account, and then you're going to look at what your active courses are. And for you guys, it's going to be the, I believe it's the In-Person Plus new SAT. So we'll click that, access my online resources. This will load. Okay, so then here's what we get. At the top now, when we've logged into this page, we have this bar right here, study plan, and then practice and applications. Now, the study plan shows you what it is that you are going to be doing for each of the sessions. So you notice on the bar right down here, SAT practice test number 1, I'll give you an example, class session number 1, you click on this, and what it's going to do is it's going to show you what it is that we're going to be talking about for that session. Ignore that. That's the location info, but that's for the sample student accounts. That doesn't apply to you guys. But here's the homework, right? Okay, so here's what you would have to do. Your homework, complete your Chapter 2 homework from the PDF, blah, blah, blah. So let's click on that for a second. Okay. Now, when they're asking you to do the homework, you're going to be able to access the PDF file of the homework right there, but you can also access it from your book, but here's where it would be. If you don't have your book, it's not loading. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so then it shows you, okay, here's what the homework is. So this would be for session number 2. Look at this. It says extra practice required, questions 1 through 8. So those are the ones that you would be required to enter into your online homework and so on. Okay, so they have that all there for you. But then where would you submit it? Okay, so this is where you would click your review right here. Once you've gotten your answers, if this pulls up, come on, it's loading. Okay, so obviously this is the, oh, sorry, I gotta pop up here. Obviously this is just the sample account, so whoever entered in the answers only got 1 correct. Okay, but this is where you'll be reviewing, okay, what your submitted answers were and what your scores were, and then this will tell you where you went wrong. Like, for example, with question number 1, correct answer is C, but if we click on it, it should pop up. Never mind. Okay, my computer's not working for me. It's a sample account. But anyway, on your actual account, when you click the different answer choices, that will give you an explanation of where you went wrong with it. But let's go back to where you would submit your homework. Okay, that's going to be up here. Back on that main page, other than study plan, we have practice and applications. We're going to click that. And then this is where, okay, so the filters here, class session 1, class session 2, class session 3, class session 4, and so on. Let's say we're going to enter in the homework for class session 1. So we click that one. Okay, and then this is where, okay, so look at this. This is where you would find all the little videos, okay, the explanations of these different topics that were covered in session 1. Capital method for reading comprehension, method for math, linear equations, etc. Okay, and then look right here, lesson on demand, classroom session 1. That would be if you missed the classroom session and you wanted to watch it instead online. Okay, so it's an hour and 40 minutes, would cover that. Then you have additional other things. Sorry, this is distracting the way that it pops down like this. Capital method, more videos, okay? But then you also have quizzes, math quiz 1, reading quiz, writing and language quiz. Again, just testing you on the concepts covered in that lesson. And then right at the bottom, here's what we got. Complete your Chapter 2 homework from the book. Complete your Chapter 3, 18th, 26th. These links will be for the chapters that were covered in that particular session. So in order to do that, we just complete them. because it's a sample test, it may not actually let me enter it in, but on your accounts you would be able to. Let's see if this pops up. Anytime now. Come on. I'll give it another second, and if it's not going to load, I'm going to cancel out of this. But regardless, that's the link that you would click. It should pop up a page that will allow you to enter in your answers for the homework chapters, okay? And then once that's done, then you can review them back again at the study plan page. My internet is all goofy today. Okay, anyway, that should give you guys a reasonably accurate way to navigate this site. You know, I'm having some internet troubles. All right, so I'm going to pause this. If this doesn't work for you guys, you're not able to figure this out, please let me know, and I will modify or update this video. Good luck.